coming. So he's got to go up this, which other people have done it. He's not committing to it. It's easy, I do it. Can't go up at 1 mile an hour. You gotta go. Alright, so I just got all my steel delivered. So the project I'm about to start is putting a peaked roof over top of that flat roof building right there. And this is the steel to do it. So it's like some I-beams. These are for, those go horizontal for supports. I got a bunch of 6-inch square tubing, that's for vertical columns. The C-channel, that goes on top of the shipping containers to make the forms for the floors on top of the containers. This is a 1-inch thick plate that's going to be cut up to be the bases for the columns. Got a bunch of diamond plate. Got this rectangle tube that's a 48-footer. That's going to be a horizontal column. There's 2 more of those coming. Those are in back order. And I got some more I-beams for horizontal. This here is a sketch of what the finished product is pretty much going to look like. So the idea here was just so the entire building will have a roof over it, because that flat roof is always leaking. It's kind of annoying, and it will give that flat roof will essentially become another floor, so that would be nice. Switching to this one, you can kind of see where the steel beams are going. This, and this are going to be those big square rectangles. Here's all the 6x6 columns. This is actually going to be an I-beam right here. I have I-beams to support this. These are Spancrete sections. Those are coming soon. The I-beams support those. And then to form out these concrete pours here, to pour concrete on top of these shipping containers, that's where the C-channel and angle iron and diamond plate and rebar come in. And then with, I mean, this isn't extremely detailed, and there's a lot of little supports on here too, but it's not going to look exactly like this. In real life, I'm not going to use shingles. I'm going to do metal roofing. And these aren't going to be block walls there. I just kind of drew them as blocks on this program, but to get to this point, the way I came up with these plans, this I drew myself. This is a free computer program called Google SketchUp, or I guess SketchUp Make now. And I drew this. And then to double check my work, I brought these plans to a licensed engineer just to go over everything and just kind of tell me what size beams everything needs to be. I said I'm completely fine with overbuilding stuff. I'd rather spend a little bit extra money on bigger beams than I need to. Then he gave me a set of stamp plans, which the town was happy with, to submit for the building permit. So all that stuff is done. Now it's just time to start working on this. But this should be a fun project. I'm looking forward to doing this. All right, so this is going to be a pretty big project, so I'm going to break the videos up into these certain sections and put everything in a playlist. So the next thing I'm about to do is I'm going to start putting all this steel into place. So it's actually a pretty substantial welding job here, but I kind of told everyone I'm taking the rest of the year off to do this, and hopefully it doesn't snow too soon. But, we already got ice in early November, so. All right, well, it should be an interesting project. Let's jump into it. Right, Levi? Hey.